YouTube, today we're on Left 4 Dead 2 and we're playing Hard Rain Return to Town. And here we go. Let's get right into it. Yeah, it seems like since I don't have school, since I don't have school, it's hard to think of something I have to say because basically all my commentaries were about was real life stuff, and since the lockdown, well, not really a lockdown, I can still go out. But since all the schools closed due to, you know what, yeah, I have nothing to talk about, except that I've just been staying home all day doing online work instead of doing it at the school. Oh shit, tank. Oh. Coach, you moron. Standing right next to a car with the tank right there. I could have easily killed you with that car, coach. Alright, let's go. Wow. There's a jockey somewhere. Need to kill that jockey. I'm gonna charge you. Come on. Thank you, Rochelle. Wow, it took the other two people forever to go. That was kind of helpful. Yeah, this campaign's freaking confusing as hell. This is like my third time recording this. And it's windy and rainy out as shit. Is there a melee weapon over here? Yes. Frying pan, sweet. I forgot, we have to backtrack in this. So we're going this way now. Come on, you fucking... I'm gonna slay all these bastards without wasting my bullets. I think we go through this house, right? Oh. Oh, it's that. No, not this house. God damn it. Guess it's this way then. Yeah, I think this looks about right. And then you go through this house. You hear a jockey somewhere. Bastard.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Yep, there's the playground. Yep, we're going the right way now. Oh, it's about goddamn time. I'm going the right way. Oh shit. Yeah, you missed me because I was leaning up against something. Damn charger. Oh, bottle of puke coming. Alright, there's the safe house. Finally! Finally made it! Oh my god. Let's go. Jesus Christ. Alright, come on, come on, guys. You can make it in here. Come on.
Come on, y'all, get inside now.
Come on, who cares about the zombies out there? Come in. They can't go through that door. It's metal. It's not like it's a wooden door they can kick down. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching Left 4 Dead 2 Return to Town. I'll be here next time at Town Escape.